And other big political news today, a federal court has blocked a controversial voter ID law in Texas. The three-judge panel says evidence shows the cost of obtaining a voter ID would discriminate against minorities who may not be able to afford one. KTexas reporter Jennifer Kendall talked to Taylor County party leaders to find out what they are saying about this decision. Jennifer?
Braid, from what I heard today, it seems like the issue is divided pretty much along party lines. Democrats say the law will exclude many minorities from voting. Republicans argue it would put an end to voter fraud. A federal court blocked Texas from enforcing its voter ID law, claiming it's discriminatory.
Getting IDs for a lot of people is a real challenge, especially disabled people, poor people, and of course minorities.
Why shouldn't we require photo ID for one of the most sacred rights that we have, voting?
Taylor County Democratic Chair Ed Conley says the IDs that would be required to vote, a Texas driver's license or state ID, are often too expensive and not readily available for many people. Conley says those most affected would also be most likely to vote Democratic.
Well, there's no polite way to say it. It's designed to keep minorities from voting.
But Taylor County Republican Chair Joy Ellinger says that's not the case.
And it is not to discriminate, it's to protect the sanctity of voting.
Ellinger argues the new law is designed to keep voter fraud from occurring, but she says that's not a common problem in Taylor County.
There have not been any incidents of voter fraud in years, but we want to ensure that statewide.
There's like 1/100th of 1% of voter frauds in this country. I mean, it just doesn't happen.
Texas Attorney General Greg Abbott says he thinks the court got it wrong and plans to appeal the decision to the U.S. Supreme Court.
Thanks, Jennifer. And Texas is not the only state dealing with voter ID laws. 33 states currently have some kind of voter ID law in place, but most of them allow a wider range of IDs accepted at the polls.